Good day, campers. Today's project is I'm going to be adding a brand new wall outlet right down here in this little corner so that we have a place to plug in our fan. We're set up permanently on a site. We're using a mini split. The only way to get cold air to the bedroom is with an extra fan, and this cord is kind of a pain in the neck. My plan is that this outlet is going to become part of my old refrigerator circuit. So I will cut a hole here. I've done all my measurements, and I know that this is a spot I can get to in the basement. So the next step is to cut a hole for the outlet box. My plan is I'm going to use the 15 amp circuit breaker that was for my absorption refrigerator that I'm no longer using. That circuit has a outlet back behind the refrigerator that's not being used, and an outlet up by the stove that we use for our slow cooker. So what I'm going to do is disconnect from this circuit breaker, disconnect that Romex from the neutral and from the ground, and pull that Romex back into the basement, route it, and connect it to my new outlet. I will then run a new piece of Romex from that outlet back to this breaker. Now, depending upon your comfort level, you may want to turn off the main breakers. I plan to just turn off the 15 amp breaker, disconnect the Romex, and work it back so that I can use it. That's all up to you. I have made the decision to turn the power off to the whole RV while I'm working inside the outlet box. Before I do that, I'm going to turn off what I believe is the breaker for this circuit to make sure I have turned off the correct breaker. My outlet tester has confirmed that I did turn off the correct breaker. I've removed the Romex that went to the refrigerator circuit and added another piece of Romex to go from the circuit breaker box to my outlet. This black Romex is what goes over to the refrigerator and the top of the stove. The yellow Romex is my new jumper. Next step is to cut these and wire them up to the outlet. As you can see, because of where I am back here, I had plenty of room for a full-size residential box. I used a box that is for existing walls. In my case, there actually was a stud here, and I could have used a regular residential box, but I've used several of these throughout the RV. The black is the circuit going up to where the outlet is next to the stove and for the refrigerator. The yellow is coming from the circuit breaker that used to be where the black Romex went. Everything's wired up. Circuit breaker is turned back on. As you can see by my outlet tester, the outlet is installed and wired correctly. Bear in mind, the black wire goes to the copper screws, the white wire goes to the silver screws, the ground wire goes to the green screw. And that completes this project. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.